Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods. This video is a little bit different, focusing more on cooking, which I don't normally do. So, bought this one, the Zebra. This is the 14 centimeter one from the bushcraft store online. Reason why I bought this one, they do metal clips on the sides for an extra $5. That's how they come with it. And also this one is the deeper pan. I had this before and the pan was about yay high on the old one, so that's a lot better. So that's that pan egg. You see it's brand new, haven't baked anything yet, but I will be baking stuff with this. I'm going to try to do more outdoor stuff. So between that one, this nice size, looks like a dog bowl, and then you have this one as well to use if you want to use that as a plate, frying on or whatever. So you do have cooking options with that. That size there is perfect for me plus one person. But this one here, I bought this absolutely ages ago, and because I put it in my pack and I put it on the little where the backing bit is that slides right down, I'm always forgetting I have it, and so I never actually used it. I'll just take it out and show you. So you get these grills. I got these off Amazon. Anything I buy, I'll put a link below and show you the sale. So I keep a few of these tent pegs that are flat, so I make it put them on there and cook off that. But this one's the one we're looking at. Okay, so the bushcraft store do sell a kit for baking for this one, but to me that wouldn't work out well because I already have this part. So what you do is you put that in there, and that makes your shelf. And then this one here, I can't remember where I bought it from. If I remember after, I'll let you know. It's only a cheap little one. I want to say TK Maxx or, you know, something similar like that. I wouldn't say Poundland, but I don't know. I'll try to find out where it's from. But this one fits in there perfectly. So if you're doing your breads, your baking, or whatever in there, and you can see on the side there, that both of these, there's still a gap. Easy. So when you put your top on and clip down, you can make your oven. Okay, so it's not like the lid won't fit. The lid will fit. I'm doing this behind the camera, so I'm a little bit clumsy. But just another idea. So if you do have this Zebra can, you might be able to use this tray cheap, and then just find one of these, and then you got yourself a little oven. I just thought it was a nice little idea. Let me know what you think in the comment section. It's not a new idea. I just think I found a cheaper way of doing it if you have stuff already. So instead of buying new sets or a fancy kit, just do it this way. Again, we're on a budget, aren't we? So let me know what you think. Hopefully I'm going to get out and start cooking soon. But the weather's a bit crap at the moment. It's really cold. And I just don't have time. By the time I get home from work, it's already too dark to do anything. Look at that. I know my luck would be when I do it, this thing will come open and it'll come at the bottom, but I just don't mess with it now. There shouldn't be any issues. But look at that. Perfect. I've seen some people put rocks in there to regulate the heat and stuff, but I'm not going to get that fancy. To put this on the stove, there's some wood stoves, and they put 10 pegs in them to balance this on there. But you guys are clever enough to make your own stuff. I'm not going to tell you how to do that part. Let me know what you think in the comments section. Thanks guys for watching. Catch you next video. Bye.